inviting home is a wonderful place to relax and enjoy life. This 7 simple and frugal way will help you create a happy home for yourself and guests. Walking into a happy home is the best feeling in the world. An inviting home immediately relax you and make you feel welcome. But how did you create that feeling in your own house? And even more importantly, how can you create that without spending a fortune? Namaste, welcome to Design and Style Your Life. When I enter a home, especially my own home, the last thing I want to feel is overwhelmed. Overwhelmed by clutter, laundry, junk mail, etc. I immediately start stressing about clearing of my kitchen counter or that pile of mail overwhelming the table. That's not a happy home to me, but more often than I care to admit, those are the feeling I have when I enter my home. It's time to start creating an inviting home for yourself and your own family, not just for the occasionally guest, although that's always nice too. First, place fresh flower. I love picking fresh flower from the yard to put in a vase around the house. It's a small touch, but I find it really helps make your home welcoming. I also like to decorate my home with things that bring happiness to my family. Sometimes these small touches can make a big impact. They brighten the room, smell wonderful, and just make me happy. However, buying fresh flower regularly can get expensive. I'm so lucky that I have such a big space in a which I can plant a lot of plant. Also use their cutting inside my house. If you are lucky enough to grow flower in your yard, otherwise treat yourself to an occasionally bouquet from the flourish. Second, speed clean. A clean house is a happy house. When my house is clean, I feel so much more relaxed even if I only did a speed clean to make it look presentable. One thing that I try to add my speed cleaning routine, especially if I'm hosting guests, is cleaning the windows. While I believe the cleaning windows with a toddler in the house is pointless as the afternoon sun stream in your house, the fingerprint and food will be especially noticeable. Third, declutter. Decluttering take a little more effort than a speed clean, but clearing your home of clutter can make all the difference in the world. If your main purpose in creating a happy home is to create a relaxing haven for yourself, start your decluttering in the area that stress you out the most. For me, this is my kitchen. I hate having broken cups or mugs that feel like they are going to burst. It's a great time to discard away, otherwise those will be used in the broken from by us. Take a quick decision, otherwise they will remain there. If you want to create a welcoming environment for others, start by decluttering your most used room like the family room or even the kitchen. I am throwing this cup, otherwise they will take space. Clean shelf. When you are completely overwhelmed by clutter, you are sure to make more room and to keep what you use most. Fourth, add plant in living room. I am adding some snake plant in a TV unit cabinet. At first, layering is essential, so I am going to use some coaster as a layering. I have created this coaster using DIY ideas. While using anything, be a little creative so that it will give an elegant look to your work. And next, I am adding a deep tray to the pot. That's why I am using a pot which gives an elegant look to it. Plants are good for us. I am adding Sansevieria plant in a TV unit cabinet. They make our home look beautiful. First upon, Sansevieria are excellent air purifier, one of the best. Snake plant thrive in a wide range of light condition, from bright indirect to low light. This plant required very little watering. The air cleaning quality of this plant are shown in the NASA Clean Air Study. The study demonstrates that Sansevieria help remove toxin from the air, in particular benzene, formaldehyde, xylene and trichloroethene, while cleaning the air from chemical and mold. Snake plant while provide higher level of humidity and fresh oxygen to any room. Decorate your living room with beautiful eye-catching plant for make your home cozy. Five, use cozy accessory to create a welcoming atmosphere. Some people have mixed feeling about using throw pillows. You don't want to use so many that it overwhelms the room or make it impossible to sit down. But they are also a great way to create a cozy atmosphere. I love snuggling into a couch with comfy pillow. We had never changed anything in our hallway, so I am adding a beautiful golden frame with a motivational quote, which is very motivating for all. How is this frame? Looking nice now? Please do let me know about in the comment section. And by the way, this picture perfect motivation quote created by me. The catch with displaying picture is that you won't always see them. Don't forget to periodically change the picture to create a fresh look. Fresh fruit is so pretty. I love displaying a bowl of apple on my kitchen table or a basket of fruit in the kitchen to add a bit of color. Another perk of displaying fresh fruit as part of my decor is that it can encourage you to eat healthier. My hope is that by hiding cookies and keeping fruit in plain sight, I will make better decisions in addition to brightening my home. A simple way to the rug that will have your whole home looking classy. Modern brown area rug with a traditional stylish design that beautifully enhance any room decor. Constructed of velvet and designed around modern aesthetic, but rugs that are in high traffic area like an entryway can get dirty looking, but changing them occasionally can bring life back to your room. Another tip is to buy an extra rug to save for good, like when you are hosting guests. While it's possible to overdo it with accessories, it's also possible to do nothing or even live with what you have out of fear. Another trick that I learned in the Cozy Minimalistic course was learning how to quiet a room. Once that done, you all be able to add accessory with ease. No fragrances can make us in front of homesick smell of hot food. I was a child, my mom always cooked fresh food to make the house smell inviting. To this day I always try to cook hot meal and bake a cake or homemade cookies and try bake something new. Coming to the next, burn candle. Candle make any room smell better. Scented candle are one of my favorite way to make our house smell good. There's something so warm and cozy about the flicker of a real candle. They range in scent from sweet baked good to flowery rose or lavender to spicy cinnamon. There's something for everyone. The entrance to your home is one of the most easily forgotten area, especially if you typically entrance. Even so, taking a few minutes to declutter, swipe the front porch and sidewalk, and tend to your home's main entrance can add curb and appeal and welcome people to your home. To creating a happy, inviting home doesn't have to be complicated or break the bank by cleaning, decluttering, or adding a few small accessory or flower. You can easily change the mood in your home. How did like this video? Tell me by commenting. I make similar video on the channel. If you like it, then please subscribe my channel and like if you like my content. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.